a special to you for watching this video. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a Christmas hat for your doll. So we're using felt and mild glue gun. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first you take the felt and then just measure around your doll's head. So you can get the right size. And then just a little bit over as well. Mark it with the pencil. And then you fold it to that line. And you just cut it at an angle. Just make sure. Just to get around the head again. And then where it overlaps, just put a little glue. Just be sure you don't put the hair in there as well. Okay. And then just on the one side, you put some glue. It's gonna make a bubble, but it's okay. You can see it. And then you just bring the two sides together. And please just be careful, this is very hot. Okay, let's just make sure it fits. Perfect. Okay, then I've got this also some more white felt. I just cut the length out. This is supposed to be adhesive, but believe me, there is no adhesive on this. So I'm going to use my, and how it wants to stick, glue gun again, just on this edge. And there you go, so long. Close here a bit more. Okay, and if there's any glue marks, I'm just going to take a red Sharpie and just color it in. Okay, so then I'm going to put it on her head. And I'm going to fold it to the side, so just overlap a bit and put some glue there so it can stay. Obviously do it on the side where the seam is. And all that's left is the pom-pom end. that. And there you go, quick and easy Christmas hat. And then obviously you can also make it like it just pointy, you don't have to fold it like here for Kevin. And yeah, I someone made hats for the whole family. So yeah, and please don't shoot me. I know there's different colors of pom-poms, but I didn't have enough white pom-poms, so yeah, I put a colored one on the others. So yeah, but there is now Christmas hats for the whole family. So yeah, this was just some quick and easy one, and I hope you liked it. So yeah, until the next one, bye.